What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in at this restaurant right now. About to get ready to pick me up some shrimp fried rice. And wanted to say something real quick. I had a few different things going on with my container in OKC, so I actually reached out to two people, and I just said, "Hey, man, I got something going. I give you extreme deal if you're interested in the container because the relocating issue with it is like been unreal." So I'm like, you know what? I'd rather get somebody a deal and then I can just build another one here. You know what I mean? It is what it is. Like, it's been crazy. But need to say, the two people that I reached out to, did nobody even respond. I would think they would have just responded, said, nah, no, thank you. Or whatever, something. I don't know. Fuck off. You know what I mean? Anything. But needless to say, I didn't get no response. But it's all good. But today, I was able to sell the container for more than I was willing to give them a deal for, way more. So sometimes you just have to be patient, and sometimes people miss out on good things, and you just have to keep it moving. But if your heart is right, you know what I mean, God is always going to open up a door for you. You just have to stay focused and do what you got to do. You know what I mean? Keep knocking on doors, and just know, you know, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. But you have to be prepared. So just remember what I say about proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. That's proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. So keep that in mind when you're building your independence, because that is a reality. Hold on.